welcome back. How long do you plan to stay? It's been a while. I've missed that smile on your face. Yeah, welcome back.
Oh, we're shooting. So welcome to this year's Harris Showcase. We're your hosts. I'm Gerald.
And I'm Maria. And before we start, I just want to ask how you all are doing tonight. I'm personally tired. How about you?
I'm so sad.
Why?
I'm very sad. Like, I'm so tired. I want to sleep. My eyes are falling asleep in math class.
How come?
Math is boring.
Math is boring.
It is. But my math teacher, he's very nice. That's why I can get through math.
We all love our math teachers.
Now, like the seasoning on my hamburgers, let's welcome the salt and pepper steppers.
Everybody clap your hands like this. EHMS. EHMS. Go hard or go home. I said go hard or go home. Go, 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 go EHMS. Go, let's go, 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 Harris, go hard. Harris.
All right, folks, we're here with the Salt and Pepper Steppers from EHMS. Do you girls mind introducing yourselves?
I'm Kindle, or you can call me Kindle for short.
I'm Robin, you can call me Robin.
I'm Kylan, you can call me Kai.
All right, so we're doing this video in preparation for our EHMS showcase for our incoming 7th graders. With that being said, I'm asking you all a few questions that you all can answer to help them with the transition, right? So, what is one thing that you all have learned while being here at Edward Harris?
It's not as hard as you think.
Okay.
Basically, just try your best to do whatever you need to do in class or at school.
Don't get into drama.
All right. So, last question. What is one tip or advice that you all would go ahead and tell our incoming 7th graders?
Just try your best and focus on your schoolwork. Don't get in drama.
All right.
Always persevere whatever challenge that you go through in life.
And listen to your teachers.
All right. All right, folks. Thank you.
Hello, welcome back. It's playoff season, so we decided to ask students on the campus if they like the 49ers or Raiders.
Are you a Raiders fan or 49ers fan?
49ers. I do not care for sports, but my family is entirely 49ers.
Are you a Raiders fan or a 49ers fan?
Raider Nation!
Oh my God. You a Raiders fan or 49ers fan?
A 49er fan.
Are you a 49ers fan?
Raiders.
You're not a Raiders fan. I can see you here. Where's your head?
Right here.
You put it on.
Mr. Obvious.
49ers. There we go. 49ers fan.
Yep. That was amazing. I didn't expect so many people to like the 49ers. I like the 49ers too, but let's introduce the pop of this stream, the K-pop club.
Rick me, 어디서 뭐 하니 baby. 핑핑
new 7th graders, upcoming 7th graders, I hope you guys like to dance, talk, socialize, or just even be there to like chill out, because this place has a lot of like people that you'll meet and you'll just feel safe around them, honestly. And if you don't have friends, you'll make friends. And this place is just very, I don't know, you'll feel like you have that one piece in like a puzzle.
And if you're nervous to dance, don't doubt yourself, and we encourage you to keep moving on and don't stop what you're passionate about. We want you to keep going.
Especially because like if you have the right people around you, they'll definitely help you out.
You'll make new friends and you'll definitely feel welcome. You may feel nervous at first, but everyone will welcome you in right away.
Yeah, this can be a place where you can be more comfortable and social around more people.
And you'll make a lot of new friends, because I did.
Yeah.
Oh. No, you too. Come here.
Chloe, you're part of the community.
There's more members, but sadly they have to go home.
Fighting! Okay, next up, students will be talking about programs and clubs. Personally, if you're gonna pick up a program, join band. It's the best. I'm not biased, but
No.
I've heard that it's the best elective you can choose.
Yeah.
I'm a part of several other clubs, but I think one of my favorite clubs is chess club.
Let's talk about chess club.
Chess club doesn't get a lot of recognition. It's kind of embarrassing because I'm the only girl there, and I don't really win against that many other people. But I'm saying this so that we hopefully get more people to join. It's definitely okay if you don't know how to play chess. Mr. Lishenko, he will definitely teach you. But if you want a better teacher, you should come to me, definitely.
Leadership is a really great class. I would like to introduce it to the future 8th graders, aka the 7th graders. Leadership ASB is a really great place to really share your creativity and your, leadership. Your inner leadership is you being a great person to other people. You're sharing small acts of kindness to others, and you're spreading and sharing positivity. Many things that we do in leadership is we make posters, we create events, we create fun lunchtime activities. We also use the term LTA. I tend to say it to my friends myself. We also celebrate and help each other out when we feel down or when we're in a bad mood. And best thing about leadership is making a bunch of friends, learning about other people, and learning the importance of teamwork. And it's my recommendation.
Okay, so band is a really good class, especially if you're coming from 7th grade beginner band. But if you want to join band, even if you weren't in 7th grade beginner band, you can always still join 8th grade beginner band. A recommendation I would like to give to all the band students: always practice, because Mr. Hoggard loves y'all, and he loves y'all very much. So you need to practice very hard every night. And if you're in concert band next year, a recommendation for you, if you're gonna play tuba, learn concert B flat and concert E flat and concert F flat. And you need to make sure that you just have fun. Band is a very fun class, and what you do in band is it will make an impact on your life. And it's just an overall fun class.
We do a lot in yearbook. We are always taking pictures. We make layouts and make the yearbook.
You'll learn a lot about photography.
And how to work the cameras, and the best way to take pictures, and how to work with lighting, and what else?
Even how to coordinate certain colors. Drama is we we have a lot of techniques on drama, all of them varying between standing frozen in pictures and things of time showing multiple emotions to random improv and skits. The community there is really, really great. I really love the people there. They're all pretty funny. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Animations is a good way to like express your creativity, and also it's a really chilled back class where everyone just gets to know each other, and it's less of a class and it's more of a studio where everyone gets to know each other, and most importantly you have fun and you learn a lot of like aspects of what you would find in other classes in that class, like science, English, math, and like many other things. So
Awesome.
before we close off the night, we present our EHMS drum line.
Thank you so much for watching this open house showcase.
Enjoy the rest of your night. Bye bye.
Don't be offended by anything I said. Everything is a joke, okay?
Okay, bye.
Goodbye. I hope you have a good day.
I'm going to disappear.
Bye.